Okay guys, we're back and today we're gonna make a smoothie bowl, and these are awesome. My daughter loves them. What we're gonna use to make this is we're going to use our vanilla protein drink mix as the base. We're gonna use our banana caramel healthy meal, Formula 1. We're gonna use some frozen berries, any kind of berries you like. We also have some, for the topping, we have some fresh berries. I have a banana, some coconut, and some granola. So what we're gonna do is make this shake like we always do. Oh, and I have basically 2 cups of ice. This is more like 1.5 cups, and I'm gonna finish it off to the 2 cup mark with the frozen berries. About like so. So we have 2 cups of ice and berries and 3/4 cup of water. I'm gonna put the Herbalife products and the ice and the water all in the blender, and everything else is gonna go on top. Okay, this is all mixed up now. Now what we're gonna do is just pour this in the bowl. And you guys, this is the same as we always make our shakes. And what we're gonna do is pour it into a bowl and top it with all of our fruit. But just remember, if you're using this as a meal replacement for your Herbalife weight loss plan, keep in mind that all of this fruit has sugar. Granted, it's natural sugar and it's healthy sugar, but it all adds up. So this is definitely not something on a weight loss plan that you would want to do every single day, but you could do this during a really active day or just as a treat sometimes. Because certainly as far as treats go, this is a pretty good one for you. And